Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by isolating power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes so capacitors discharge. Put on gloves and eye protection and prop the hood securely. Do not rely on a faulty strut. Once done, open the fuse box or inner fender cover to reveal the hood CPM. It often sits near the battery or master junction. Make sure to photograph each connector orientation and label wires so you can reassemble without guessing. You now move into the detailed removal. Depress all connector locks and use a plastic trim tool to separate plugs. Metal tools can short circuits. Once unplugged, remove the CPM's mounting bolts with the correct socket and extension. Keep each fastener in a labeled tray. As you free the unit, support it with one hand to avoid stress on the harness. If a connector resists, wiggle while pressing the release to avoid breaking clips. You finish by seating the replacement CPM and tightening its mounts to the specified torque. Then reconnect each labeled plug exactly as photographed. Once everything is secured, reconnect the negative battery and cycle the ignition to let modules reinitialize. Test hood release, sensors, and related lights. If something fails, make sure fuses are intact, verify ground continuity, and inspect connector pins for corrosion or bent terminals. If problems remain,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.